All right, we're here at Dawncorn Creative Photography with Chloe. Hey, Chloe, are you ready for your senior photography, senior shoot?
I am. I'm very excited. This is very out of my comfort zone, but feeling pretty good.
All right, Mom, so how are you feeling about senior pictures? What do you think?
I'm going to end up crying today.
You're going to end up crying. Well, let's not try and do that, but I know it's a very emotional time, but she looks beautiful, doesn't she?
She looks amazing.
All right, we're here with Chloe, and we're about to do rapid fire. It echoes in this room, doesn't it? Yes. We're going to do rapid fire, so I need you to just answer every question. It's this or that. I'm going to give you two choices. You choose which one's the best. Do you understand?
I think so.
All right. Autumn or spring?
Autumn,
Mornings or nights?
nights,
Beaches or mountains?
mountains,
Chocolate or vanilla?
vanilla,
Thunder or lightning?
thunder,
Pancakes or waffles?
waffles,
Books or movies?
movies,
Call or text?
text,
Winter or summer?
summer.
All right, Chloe, so what was the best part of your senior shoot?
Probably getting out of my comfort zone.
Getting out of your comfort zone? But what was the best thing? Today, there was one specific thing that you loved. What was it?
Probably getting my hair and makeup done.
Getting your hair and makeup done?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look beautiful.